Hi, welcome back to the Business Kickstart Guide Part 3. Now, today I'm going to share with you the TAO, T-A-O, the TAO of Agile Lean Startup. If you want to learn how to use Lean Agile Startup methodology, watch this video till the end. Now, the TAO of Agile Lean Startup, TAO, T-A-O. The T is stand for target. Right? Now, first thing is that you need to know who is your target audience or who is your target market. So, first thing, I want you to find out what is your niche. Now, how to find a niche? Usually, I want to understand our own strength, weakness, right? So you may do a SWOT analysis, SWOT, okay? I'm not going to elaborate a lot on SWOT, but first thing is important, you need to know your strength, yeah, and also your skills. Now, these are key important things. Before I will decide what niche I want to go in, I need to understand first my strength, my skills, my experience, and my interests. These are the key things that I want to understand first so that I know I can serve this particular group, right? A niche market or a tribe well. You see, why I emphasize on your strength or your interest is because if you want to do a long-term business, you need to have interest in these particular areas. Then you can do a long-term. Let's say, for example, I want to serve a groups of people who loves hiking. Now, I myself have to love hiking, right? Then only I know what kind of problems that they are facing and what are the tools, the equipment, the clothing, the shoes, everything about hiking, right? Or what hiking people needs. Then I can do very well in this market. Same thing, if you are doing like servicing, yeah, or service industry, so you got to love what you do in order for you to do a long term. Like I'm a consultant, I love problem solving. That's why I love to do consulting, coaching, helping people to improve. But if you hate problem solving, then this may not be the right area for you. Okay. Now, I'm going to take you to my screen and walk you through how do you want to do a research to focus on finding your niche market. Okay, right now we are in the computer screen. Now, this is the so-called google.com page, and I'm using incognito. So if you want to do a research like this, always go into incognito mode. All right, if you don't know how, just click here, these three dots, and then here go open a new incognito windows. So when come to google.com, so first thing you want to key in, right? You want to do a research. Now, these are all the high search, right? Means that popular search. I didn't key in anything, so I just click here and then it will come out. So meaning that you know that today, the top search will be like Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra Malaysia. I think S21 is launching today, okay? And what else? Penang News, blah, 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 and all the stuff, all right? Now, don't worry about this, but the first thing is that I want you to focus on what do you want to do, right? So after you understand your strength, okay, your interest, then right now, I want to focus, find a niche market to serve, right? So let's say, for example, okay, I'm good in exercising, or I love about exercising, because the business that you're going to create is to solve certain problems. So let's search, right? Use the word how to, okay? So when this how to, then we want to do something like, for example, we say exercise. Since we just talk about like hiking, so we can see how to hike, right? Now you can see here, there are people who want to hike without getting tired. People want to go hike faster. Okay, so this is something that, let's say I want to become a coach, then I can focus on how to teach people or coach people how to hike without getting tired or how to hike faster. Yeah. So the keyword can be hiking. Let's see. So how to hiking tips, how to hiking safety, how to hiking backpacking, hiking with your dog, hiking wedding. So there's so many, right? Hiking. So if you want to find something related to hiking, right? Besides how to, you can put like what hiking, yeah, for. So what hiking, what to wear, what to bring, okay? So meaning that people are looking at, for example, clothing, right? Or what to eat, what to carry. So if you're selling hiking goods, then these will be the things that you want to focus on. Then you can search like best hiking. You can see like people are looking for best hiking shoes, yeah, backpack, right? So then you can see best hiking backpack. Okay, then you kneel down further. Best hiking backpack for women, right? For babies, for kids, yeah, for petite female. So you can see that means that there's a lot of women finding hiking backpack. Now from here, I believe they are looking at something light and small that they can carry when they go hiking. Now, this is one way that you want to find your niche market where to serve. It depends on your interest. I mean, I'm just putting like interest is hiking. Now, show you another example. Let's say if I am good in using certain, let's say Zoom, because I'm using Zoom a lot to actually record some of all these videos. Yeah. So I can put in like use Zoom for, now you can see that there are people searching for use Zoom for webinar, conference call, how to do use Zoom, okay? How to use Zoom for Facebook Live, how to use Zoom for podcasting, okay? Remote support, screen recording, how to use Zoom for online classes, use Zoom for live streaming. Now, this will give you an idea. Let's say I can create a course on teaching people how to use Zoom for webinar or how to use Zoom for podcasts. Because those people who do podcasts, do webinar, they are actually like businesses. So most probably they can pay you or they can buy your course, right? So this is like how to, you can put in use this or you can put how to use. You can see it's almost the same. How to use Zoom for teaching, how to use Zoom for online classes, yeah, meetings. So you can teach them. So how to use, I mean, you can put in a lot of stuff. Excel for, you can see how to use Excel for business, how to use Excel for data analysis, statistics, yeah. So accounting. So if you are good in Excel, you can create a class to teach or coach people, right? How to use Excel for accounting, most probably like accounts people, okay, or data analysis, statistics. So people want to learn how to use Excel specifically for certain problems. So this is one way that you can create your products or your services to cater for this particular niche market. Now, there are many other tools, like in my coaching program, to coach people how to be a consultant. We teach them how to do all this research and to find the niche and even the programs that can help them create something that is on demand. Because these are, I mean, there's not a lot of these. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's your top 10 people are searching for, you see. So these are the solutions that people are looking for. So it means that it's on demand. Yeah. So I hope that this video I just can show you how to research and find where is your niche market. So first step is find your target market. So go and research, play around with just google.com. That is enough for you to find a lot of good ideas. So I hope you like this and do this research, and I can guarantee you find a lot of new ideas. Now, this is the first T from the Tao of Lean Startup. And in my next video, I'm going to share with you the A and the O. So there will be another 2 more parts before we end this 5 parts video series. So I hope you will learn on this business kickstart guide. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please share to your friends who may need it when they want to start a new business or want to grow their business online. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish weekly, you will be notified. And here's some of the video that I have done that can help you grow your business online. By the way, in the description below, we prepare free resources for you like cheat sheet, ebooks, free training. So go ahead and download or register if it's a training. It's totally free for you. And I will see you real soon in my next video.